Hi, welcome to rideonmowers.co.uk, where you will find the lowest price ride-on mowers in England. We also provide the best service because we're a family-run company. Today we're going to unbox one of the Tornado 7 series from STIGA. So the 7 series are a little more heavy duty, they've got a cast iron axle, so if you've got some bumpy land, then this is the mower for you. So this is the 7108W. The 108 signifies the cutting deck's 108 centimeters. The W means you've got a twin cylinder engine. So if you want to be cutting longer, maybe wetter grass, this is the mower for you. Here we go, we're going to unbox it today. So first of all, let's get these straps off. See what it's like inside. Okay, all looks good. Get these straps out of the way, you don't want to be tripping over these. Beautiful day here in Lincolnshire today, sun is shining, spring is on its way. We'll take a few things out before we get the cardboard. So here we go, there's the seat. Most important part, got to be comfortable while you're cutting your grass. We've got the mulch plug here and the side discharge chute. You've got the bumper and your information pack, your keys and your manual. I think that should be it for about now. So to avoid damaging the machine, we're taking these poles out next. This is just to make the box rigid while we're shipping. STIGA have 4 different levels of machine, the 3 series, the 5, the 7 and the 9, so this is a 7 series. So this is right up there in the quality. Okay, let's get the box off. Steering wheel, this is one of the side protection bumpers for the cutting deck. There we have it. Let's check to make sure it's in perfect condition, which it is. So there we go, the STIGA 7108W. Let's get building it.